next method in WebDriver interface is getWindowHandle. This is the camel case, W is the uppercase and H should be uppercase. Yeah. We'll now see the points regarding getWindowHandle. So we all know this method is declared in WebDriver interface. Okay. So next is we will provide bodies to those methods. This method implemented by mode WebDriver class. So this class will provide bodies to getWindowHandle method. Next, it will take no arguments. Okay. Return type given by Simon Stewart is string. So string is the return type. So how it is useful? It is useful to get window handle of current browser window or tab. Okay. So it is useful to get the window handle. It means operating system will assign a ID to window tab, browser window tab. Okay, so it will assign an ID so that we can identify the current window or tab. Okay, by using that ID. Okay, window handle of current browser window or tab. So what is the syntax? Syntax is driver dot get window handle method. So we have seen that return type is string. So we have to take object. So what will happen? Driver will call get window handle method, and this window handle method return string value. Okay, so this string value is stored in text variable object. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, this getWindowHandle method is useful to switch from one tab to other tab. Okay, we will see the example so that you can understand clearly. So operating system will assign unique IDs to Windows, this browser window or tab. Okay, every tab will be assigned by one ID. Okay, so this ID is useful to us to switch to those tabs. Okay, we can switch it easily by using those IDs. Okay, yeah. So we are storing getWindowHandle value in. So this is driver dot getWindowHandle is single. Okay, we are storing the single value. We have to store single value, that is string value. Okay, So that's why we are taking variable x. Okay, so in variable we can store single value, remember that. Okay, we'll now see the program related to get window handle. I'm creating a class get this get window handle stuff, taking public static void main. Just in the comments. Yeah. So you already know that how to download and launch the browser. So I will take a driver here. You can use any browser. Okay. So after launching the Edge browser, so I'm launching the site google.co.in. So after launching the site, what I am doing is driver dot. So after launching the site in a window tab in browser, so we have to get those handle. Okay. So how to get that? Driver dot get window handle. Okay. So we are now getting only one window handle. Okay. So what is the return type of get window handle? String. So we have to store that value in one variable. So we are getting only one value, so we are using the variable. Okay. Okay. So after getting that, I'm closing the site. So I will run save and run. So it will take time for the first time. Yeah. Browser open, site launched, closed. Let us see. Okay. So I have not printed on the console. System.out.println. Okay. X. I'm getting the output in on the console. I'm again saving, like again running the program. Browser opened, site launched, closed. Yeah, you can see this is the window handle of the tab or window. Okay, so we can able to switch the tabs. Okay, by using this get window handle and handles method. So if so, the next method is get window handles. I'll show you the program how to switch between the tabs. Okay, so this is the get window handle method information. Okay, yeah.